You can't see it really?
I mean, you can see it. Say something facing me.
I'm saying something facing you.
Okay, now look down a little.
Looking down a little bit at this oil pan.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I think it'll work.
Ready as it'll ever be. Is it ready?
And we're live.
We're live.
Pistols. Fire off.
Hey guys, Brandon again. Today we're going to walk you through more of a step-by-step on how to LS swap your 350Z. So if you want to copy and paste what we did in our car, we're going to show you the way. Starting off with putting this prototype Moroso 350Z front swamp. Starting off with putting this prototype Moroso 350Z LS front sump oil pan on our junkyard LS1 engine that's going in the white 350Z. So we'll show you how to do the pickup tube installation. We're going to throw one of our girdles on there since we've got them. We'll probably have to modify the windage tray a little bit for this tab here on the pickup tray. Again, this is a prototype, so it's not zinc coated or anything yet. We're going to clean it up. Go ahead and reseal the front cover and everything on this engine. We threw kind of a sloppy cam in it, and new valve cover seals and stuff. This is like total junkyard dog. So we're going to see if we can maybe do this whole car in one day. So try to keep up.
Happy birthday!
Oh yeah, thanks.
All right, so tell us what the scenario is.
So we have to trim a couple things on our windage tray for our pan to fit. So as you can see, the pan is set back too far. We need to be back forward 3/16 of an inch or so to be centered. What we have here is a situation where this corner of our windage tray is contacting the corner of our pan. Not a big deal, happens. Trimming is required in most applications of this type. So we'll trim the back of that tray there. We also have our pickup tube here, which, as we noted, actually has 2 hold-down bolts. So that's convenient. We won't have to actually run the girdle. But we have to notch our windage tray out here also for our standoff. So we'll get that yanked off of there, get those trimmed up, and start going back together with it.
Excellent. Wow.
Like it's made to be together.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Low in action.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Get that girl. Let's see. Wow.
Wow. Be sure to measure your depth.
Just in
Yeah,
case
they're about 5 inches, just a hair over. A hair over 5 inches on our pickup.
An average size I hear.
Driver size. We're going to check our pan here. Same thing. For our pickup, where it's going to contact. Yeah, so we got about 1/2 inch. That's good. 1/4 to 1/2. Plus, we're going to have the thickness of the gasket, which is about 1/8 of an inch. Approximately. Let's seal it up.
Okay, let's see it. Is that Permatex?
Probably not that solid right. We're just going to get a little dab on our cracks here. You know, the old seams. Yeah, you don't need to overdo it.
Just a little bit. Just a dab will do. And Permatex Ultra Gray will do the rest. Hey, Brandon, what are you doing, man?
Well, you know, we're getting this car ready to put an LS in it.
Oh, okay. All right. How do you do that?
Well, we pulled everything out of the car. We got a clearance, just one little area. And probably go ahead and throw the fitting on for our fuel line, just because it'll be down by the header. So we removed our fuel bracket here. Our fuel line, this is our feed line, that's our vent line.
Okay.
So we'll put a fitting on here for 5/16 to 6 AN. That way we can run our line up to our LS.
All right.
We'll yank these old exhaust parts off.
Yeah.
You know what those are called, but you know we're gonna leave those.
Kitty cats.
We're gonna leave those. So
Okay.
we are gonna make room for the LS exhaust though, and yeah, we got to clearance this area here a little bit for our coil pack.
Okay. Beat it.
Beat it. We're just gonna beat it, and then I usually take these hard lines off. You don't necessarily have to, but you at least have to take the pressure one off. The return one depends on if you're going to try to incorporate all that wonkiness into your oil cooler, but I just move the oil cooler and run it directly from pressure side to the rack, return side through the oil cooler back to the pump. So we'll show that in more detail as we go.
Wonderful. Thank you for the update.
Yes, you're welcome.
Alright, a little voiceover edition late in this video. Helpful tip, what you're going to want to do with that driver's side header is toss that puppy in there before you put the engine in there. Reason being is you're not going to be able to get that header up through there with the motor in the car. That's just kind of how it goes. That's how the cookie crumbles, so to speak. So definitely remember that before you put the engine in. If not, that cookie's gonna crumble, there's gonna be crumbs everywhere, and your mother's gonna be in a tizzy to get it all cleaned up. See, folks, look how tight it is in there. That's as tight as Dick's headband.
Lift off. We get our fingers pinched at the end. You know,
More of that.
that's what we like to do. Where we at? Oh, we're so close.
Right there, dog. Oh, there she goes.
There's that one.
Other one's falling in that area.
Did it? Well, let me get a nut on this guy.
Yeah. Get your nut. Nutted?
He's nutted. Oh no, this one was in the hole.
Was it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes part one of our two-part series, how to install an LS engine into your Nissan 350Z. Tune in next time for part two, where we fire it up and talk about it.